When it comes to protecting your home with a high-quality roof, Roof Worx is the best choice for your residential roofing needs. We're committed to delivering top-tier quality, using only the best materials and ensuring expert installation on every project. Our team is highly trained in the latest roofing techniques, guaranteeing that your roof is built to last. One of the standout features of Roof Worx is our use of the CertainTeed Integrity Roof System. This system is designed to provide superior protection with multiple layers of roofing components that work together to create a durable and weather-resistant roof. It's engineered for longevity, giving you peace of mind that your investment is well protected. We also offer comprehensive warranties that cover both materials and workmanship, ensuring your roof is protected for years to come. As a local company, we understand the unique challenges homeowners in our area face, and we're here to provide personalized, expert service tailored to your needs. If you're ready to invest in a roof that offers unmatched quality and protection, contact Roof Worx today to schedule your free roof inspection. Let us help you secure your home with a roof that's built to last.